To create a QR code in Canva, head over to Canva website and log in to your account. Then on the left side, click on Create button. Then you can choose any design you want to. I will simply open Instagram post template. Now we are on the dashboard. Here, while designing your design, on the left side, you can choose any template, such as we are choosing the following template design. Now to add a QR code, on the left side, you need to scroll down and click on the apps option. Here, search for QR code. Now scroll down and select static QR codes. It's official app by Canva. Here you can type in your URL for the QR code. Then you can also customize the colors for background and foreground and add margin if you like to. Once done, you can simply click Generate QR code. The QR will be added to your design. You can resize it and place it wherever you want to. So this is it, and this is how you can add a QR code in Canva. I hope you like this video. Make sure to subscribe for more videos.